How to create auto reply in WhatsApp business. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create auto reply in WhatsApp business. So how do you do this? The first step is to log in into your WhatsApp business account. Then move to the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots that you can see there. Now amongst the options displayed, tap on business tools. On your business tools page, you can see options like profile catalog, reach more customers, messaging. So under messaging, select a away message, which is business greeting message. So select away message. So now you can see the away message page. So the next step is to um toggle the switch to enable the away message. All right. Once the toggle is turned on this way, you can edit this message. Okay, you can edit it if you do not want this particular automated message. You can edit this to suit you. But if you're satisfied, click OK, and then you can schedule the message. All right. When choose when you want the message to be sent, always or outside of business hours. So you can click on that and then you can see always send, custom schedule outside of business hours. You can also use custom schedule to set a particular time depending on the one you want. Then you also have a choice for you to select your recipient. Do you want this message to be sent to everyone? Select it and then move to the top right corner, click on save, and just like that, your auto reply has been created easily in WhatsApp business. So this is how to create auto reply in WhatsApp business. Thank you for watching and have a good day.